This tutorial will walk you through our new Deep Extract feature. The best part is, it lets you pull data from multiple detail pages all at once. Everything happens right in your browser, and you don't need any server setup. You can give it a try using the quick tour inside the Listly extension. Now, let me walk you through how it works step by step. First, open the Listly extension on a list page that links out to individual detail pages. Select Deep Extract, then click Start. Click the first item in the list, then click another item with the same layout. As soon as Listly recognizes the shared pattern, a pop-up will appear. Click Select Together, and every link with that same structure on the page gets selected at once. We'll come back to the Load More Data option at the bottom of the side panel later in this video. Once you've grabbed all your URLs, click Next. Before selecting the extraction area, you can set a delay between URL visits. If a page has a lot of content or your connection is a little slow, go with a longer delay. For this video, we'll stick with the default. When you're ready, click Set Area. Then the detail page for your first item opens. Here, just pick the section of data you want to collect. It works exactly like Listly's extract part. Once you've selected everything you need, click Start Extraction. Now, Listly visits each URL in order and pulls the data from the areas you picked. While it's running, don't close the tab or the browser window. Just let it run. The window needs to stay open for the extraction to finish. When the extraction is done, click View Results. On the results screen, scroll down to the tabs where your data appears. Looks like everything came through nicely. Under Preview Data, you can see exactly how everything will line up in your Excel file. Now, click Excel to download the file and open it up. Data that used to be scattered across multiple pages is now organized into a single spreadsheet. Now, let me run through a few questions that might come up while you're using Deep Extract. What if you need to add or change an area after the extraction is finished? No need to collect all those URLs again. Just head to the archive. Click the archive icon in the top right, and you'll see a history of your multi-page extraction tasks. Pick the task you want to change, then click Edit under Extraction Area. From here, you can adjust the area you selected last time. For this example, let's add the model number to the data we already have. Once you're done editing, click Save, then run the extraction the same way as before. Check the results, and you'll see the model number has been added to your existing data. So what happens if you close the tab while it's still extracting? No worries, Listly catches it and pauses the task automatically. There's no need to go back to the page or gather the URLs all over again. Just click Continue, and Listly picks up right where it left off, visiting the saved URLs in order. And what if you close the entire browser window? Even if you close the whole browser, not just a tab, you can still pick up where you left off. Reopen the browser you were working in and launch the Listly extension. Head to the archive, and your most recent task will be right at the top. Select it, click Continue, and you're right back where you left off. If you want to stop a task that's in progress, click Stop at the bottom to end the extraction completely. You can still review any data collected up to that point by clicking Open Results. How does the Load More Data option work? Let's take a look at this one with an example. On this site, new items keep loading as you scroll down. If you select URLs without scrolling first, even Select Together will only grab the links that are currently on screen. To collect more item URLs, turn on the Load More Data option and click Next, and you'll see the most common ways to load data. Since this site loads content as you scroll, choose Scroll, then set how many items you want to load. Click Start Collecting, and the page scrolls on its own, loading new items and collecting their URLs as it goes. Once you've collected as many as you want, click Set Area. From there, pick your area and run the extraction just like before. And that's all for Listly's Deep Extract feature. If you have more questions about the feature or how to use it, reach out to Listly customer support anytime. Thanks for watching.